All right. Now we're taking up a full-fledged question on the retirement of partner. We are on illustration number 1, page number 8.104. A disclaimer for all of you. कुछ एंट्रीज इसमें ऐसी हैं कि मैं थोड़ी सी अलग करूंगा. फलसफा वही होगा जो इंस्टीट्यूट का है. ये एंट्रीज में थोड़ी सी अलग इसलिए करूंगा क्योंकि उसमें बेटर प्रेजेंटेशन होगा, बेटर देन व्हाट इंस्टीट्यूट हैज डन इन योर स्टडी मटेरियल. देखिए, इंस्टीट्यूट का स्टडी मटेरियल एक गाइडलाइन है. हमें उसको अगर बेटर करने का मौका मिले तो हमें करना चाहिए विदाउट सेइंग एनीथिंग बैड अबाउट आवर इंस्टीट्यूट. कीप दैट मच इन माइंड. ऑलराइट, लेट्स कम हियर. इलस्ट्रेशन 1. A and B are partners in a business sharing profits and losses as A 3/5 and B 2/5. 3:2 is the ratio. Their balance sheet on 1st of January 2020 is given below. Capitals of A and B 15 and 20, reserve 50, trade payable 7/5, plant and machinery, inventories, trade receivable, balance at bank, cash in hand. B retires from the business owing to an illness and A takes over it. The following revaluations are made. The goodwill of the firm is valued, number 1, at 25,000. Put a dot, important adjustment. Depreciate the plant and machinery by 7.5% and inventories by 15%. देखिए, inventories are current assets. Current assets are not depreciated. They are revalued or they are written down. So depreciation as a word does not sound accurate, but ठीक है, no problem. Doubtful debts provision is raised against the trade receivables at 5% and discount reserve against trade payables at 2%. At how much? At 2%. You are required to journalize in the books, close the partner's account on 1st of January and give the opening balance sheet of A. Let us go stepwise. We will do the revaluation account. It is for retirement of partner. We will refer to it as profit and loss adjustment account. What will we call it? Profit and loss adjustment account. We will make profit and loss adjustment account. We will do journal entries. We will make partners capital and we will make balance sheet. Irrespective of उसमें क्या पूछा गया, हम सब कुछ करेंगे. पूरा एक यूनिवर्स आपके सामने आ जाना चाहिए. Step number 1 of partnership is always calculation of gain, sacrifice, whatever ratios. This is retirement, so we obviously have a gaining ratio. Now, who are the partners? A and B. What is the old ratio? 3:2. So it is 3/5 and 2/5. Now B is retiring, so obviously पूरा 3 इसको मिलेगा, but अब ये 3/5 नहीं, ये 3/3 हो जाएगा और ये 1 हो जाएगा. और ये कितना हो जाएगा? 1 हो जाएगा. So basically पूरे गुडविल का कॉम्पेंसेशन ए बी को देगा. सर, I did not understand what you are trying to say. Very simple concept. What is the goodwill of the firm? The goodwill of the firm is given to you as 25,000. What is the goodwill? 25,000. Out of this, what is B's share? B's share is 2/5. So it is 25,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 5. Is it 10,000? Yes. Here, B is leaving. Who is gaining? Only A. So who will compensate to B? Only A, because there is no other partner. किसका बैलेंस कम होगा, किसका बैलेंस बढ़ेगा? As we discussed earlier, the retiring partner's balance will increase and the continuing partner's balance will decrease. It is a compensation paid by continuing partner to retiring partner. Pass the journal entry right now. A's capital account debits to B's capital account. 10,000. Sir, we have successfully adjusted goodwill in our very first adjustment. Now, they are giving you certain values of assets. They are saying depreciate your plant and machinery by 20,000. Hold on. Let us start making your profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account. Debit, credit. Of course, we will be passing journal entries simultaneously. Asset has what balance? Debit balance. Because of the fact that plant and machinery is being depreciated, उसका balance बढ़ रहा है कि घट रहा है? घट रहा है. एसेट को डेबिट बैलेंस है, डेबिट बैलेंस इसकी वजह से बढ़ा कि कम हुआ? कम हुआ, मतलब एसेट को आप क्या करोगे? क्रेडिट करोगे। तो डेबिट किसे करोगे? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट को डेबिट करोगे। नेक्स्ट वो उसी एंट्री में, उसी लाइन में आगे बोलता है इन्वेंट्रीज को 15% से तोड़ो। इन्वेंट्रीज को क्या करो? 15% से तोड़ो, मतलब इन्वेंट्रीज कम हो जाएंगी। इन्वेंट्री को कौन सा बैलेंस होता है? डेबिट बैलेंस। डेबिट बैलेंस कम हुआ मतलब इन्वेंट्री को क्रेडिट किया, डेबिट किसे किया? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट को। पहला जो उधर मतलब नंबर 2 का जो एडजस्टमेंट है उसका एक एंट्री बन गया आपके माइंड में? यस, बन गया। व्हाट इज द जर्नल एंट्री? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू फर्स्ट वन इज प्लांट एंड मशीनरी एंड द सेकंड वन इज इन्वेंट्री। कितना प्लांट एंड मशीनरी? ओरिजिनली कितना है? ओरिजिनली हाउ मच? 20,000। इसके ऊपर कितना डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज किया है? 7.5%। कीजिए तो कैलकुलेट हाउ मच? 1500। और इन्वेंट्री कितना था ओरिजिनली? 16,000 था। 15% से कम हुआ है, यस और नो? तो कितना हो गया? 2,400। तो पहली एंट्री बन गई 3,900 की। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, एंट्री तो आप पोस्ट करोगे, यू आर बिकमिंग व्हाट? यू आर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स द वे आई सी यू। डिग्री की देरी है, माइंड यूज करो, आंसर माय क्वेश्चन। प्लांट एंड मशीनरी कितना था? 20,000 था, पर अब कितना बनेगा? सर 18,500 बनेगा। व्हाई? प्लांट एंड मशीनरी की ये 20,000 को कौन सा बैलेंस है? इट हैज अ डेबिट बैलेंस सर, बट यू आर क्रेडिटिंग इट बाय हाउ मच? 1,500 सर। सो 20 minus 1,500 is how much? 18,500. Sir, inventory was 16,000. Now it is being credited by 2,000. So how much will be left? 16 minus 2,400. How much is left with you? 13,600. How much is left with you? 13,600. You will notice that mentally we have started the construction of the balance sheet as well. We have started the construction of the balance sheet as well. But मैं यहाँ पे balance sheet अभी लिखूंगा नहीं. Let this be. We'll post it simultaneously at one time. So profit and loss adjustment account debit to plant and machinery. How much? 1,500. To what? Inventory. How much? 2,400. Put a tick mark against entry number 2. Put a tick mark against entry number 2. Entry number 3. Doubtful debts provision is raised against the trade receivables. How much are your trade receivables? Your trade receivables are 15,000. इस पे क्या करना है? You have to raise a provision of 5%. So 15,000 into 5%. How much is that? I think 750. I think 750. So वो क्या होगा? वो less होगा. So ideally ये 3,900 को मिटा के I can just write over here to reserve for doubtful debts. You will understand if I do that?
Yes.
Otherwise forget it. I'll pass a new entry. Don't worry. What will be the reduction of that? It will be profit and loss adjustment account debit to reserve for doubtful debts. How much are your debtors? 15,000. On that, what is your reserve that you are making? 5%. So how much will this become?
750.
So P&L adjustment account debit to reserve for doubtful debts 750. Sir, my old debtors were 15,000. Were how much? Were 15,000. In my balance sheet, after the retirement of B, they will become 15,000 minus 750. They will become 40,250. Yes, the new balance sheet is being formulated. Next, they are saying something about creditors. This is interesting. Creditors को कौन सा balance होता है? It has a credit balance. They are saying make a reserve. Means they are giving you a discount. Creditor कम हुआ. मतलब creditor को what you will do? You will debit. You will debit the creditor. So what will be the journal entry that you pass? The journal entry that you will pass will be, you can say reserve on creditors, or you can say sundry creditors account debit to what? To profit and loss adjustment account. So you can say reserve for a discount on trade payables. You can use the word reserve for a discount on trade payables to profit and loss adjustment account. Sir, why you are using the word reserve on discount for trade payables? Because it is given here. A discount reserve against trade payables has to be created. So what will I do? I will create a reserve for discount on trade payable. I will debit it and I will credit what? to profit and loss adjustment account. How much are your creditors? Please tell me.
7,500.
7,500. And what is the percentage?
2%.
2%. How much will this be? 150. What were your creditors when you were together, A and B? 7,500. When A alone will take the mantle of this business, what will the creditors be? Will they be 7,350?
Yes.
Because 150 से वो कम हो गया. Correct? So can I say over here, buy reserve for discount on trade payable account? How much? 150. Over and above this, are there any adjustments that deserve the attention of the profit and loss adjustment account? No. No. She says there is a reserve. Absolutely correct. Good, she said reserve. My dear friends, is the reserve increasing or decreasing? None. It is just being distributed. It will go directly where? Partners capital account. So the first thing we earmark over here is reserve goes directly to partners capital account. Reserve goes directly to partners capital account. And good, she said reserve. Let's talk about reserve. What is reserve? Reserve is the existing profit of all the partners. Correct? One partner is leaving. Did he or did he not work to achieve that profit which is sitting in the reserve account? Yes. उस रिजर्व अकाउंट में उसकी भी मेहनत है, उस 15,000 में उसका भी हिस्सा है, उसका 2/5 वो लेगा, उसका 2/5 वो, तो 3/5 कौन लेगा? ए लेगा, ए लेगा. रिजर्व कम होके कैपिटल में जा रहा है, रिजर्व कम होके कैपिटल में जा रहा है. रिजर्व को कौन सा बैलेंस है? क्रेडिट बैलेंस. कम हो रहा है मतलब वो क्या हो जाएगा? डेबिट हो जाएगा. कैपिटल में जा रहा है मतलब कैपिटल क्या हो जाएगा? क्रेडिट हो जाएगा, इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. ओके, पास द जर्नल एंट्री फॉर दैट. व्हाट इज द जर्नल एंट्री फॉर दैट? द जर्नल एंट्री विल बी रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट टू A's capital to B's capital. How much is the reserve? 15,000. तो A को 15,000 का कितना मिलेगा? 3/5. और B को 15,000 का कितना मिलेगा? 2/5. तो ये हो जाएगा 6 और ये हो जाएगा 9. क्लियर? 100%. नेक्स्ट, ये रिजर्व का एडजस्टमेंट हो. ऑफ कोर्स ये कहाँ टच नहीं होगा? इसमें टच नहीं होगा, इसमें टच नहीं होगा. आर वी क्लियर अबाउट दिस? Is there any other adjustment over and above this that needs to be done in this account? No. Tally the profit and loss adjustment account. Tally the profit and loss adjustment account. I think this is 3,900 and 4,650. 4650.
Yes.
So 4650.
4,500.
So this will become how much?
4,500.
What is this? This is loss. This is loss. So this will go as what? By A's capital, by B's capital. In what ratio? In the ratio 3:5 and in the ratio 1:5. तो इधर कितना आएगा? इधर आएगा 900. करेक्ट? नहीं, सॉरी 8 कितना आएगा इधर?
1800 ऊपर 2700.
Sorry, 2:5. I'm so sorry. 2:5. 1800 and here how much is it? 2700. Did I beg your pardon? I by mistake I wrote 1:5. Okay. So this is 2700 and this is 1800. Adjustment is closed. But sir, you did not pass. They have asked in the question to pass the journal entry for this. Okay. A's capital account debit. B's capital account debit. To profit and loss adjustment account 4,500 and this will be how much? 2,700 and this will be how much? 1,800. This completes the adjustment or the entries that cater to what? Profit and loss adjustment account, right? Now what do we have to do? We have to do partners capital account. Now what do we have to do? Partners capital account. Let us pay attention to partners capital account. let us pay attention to partners capital account. There are two partners, A and B. A and B. Do they have an opening capital balance? Yes, they do. Hold on. Partners capital account, debit side, credit side. Partners capital account opening balance will come as by balance brought down. How much is the opening balance?
15,000.
How much?
20,000.
20,000 and
15,000.
15,000. Sir, you have posted the opening balance from the question the way it was given.
Yes.
Over and above this, first you start posting all of the entries that impact the capital account. The first entry that will impact the capital account is reserve. The second entry that will impact is
Loss.
adjustment. Third entry is goodwill. Sir, why did you take this route, this chronology? आप यही ऑर्डर में क्यों गए? पहले प्रॉफिट्स बटे, एसेट्स रिवैल्यूएशन हो गया और गुडविल कॉम्पेंसेशन हो गया और फिर हमने क्या बोला? बाय बाय. हमने क्या बोला? बाय बाय. अब सब मेरा बाय बाय. बराबर है? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Yes. Now, so over here, what will come? Buy reserve, correct? Buy reserve. How much? 9,000 and 6,000. Next, what will come? Buy profit and loss adjustment. What will come? Buy profit and loss adjustment. How much? 2,700 and 1,800. Yes?
ये क्रेडिट में तो फिर लॉस.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It is partners capital account debit to P&L adjustment. To P&L adjustment. Sorry. How much? 2,700 and 1,800. This is clear. Now, A's capital account debit to B's capital account. A's capital account debit to B's capital account. How much? 10,000. And over here it will come by A's capital account. How much?
10,000.
10,000. Goodwill entry has been posted. Now the question is, B छोड़ के जा रहा है. B छोड़ के जा रहा है. क्या हो रहा है? B छोड़ के जा रहा है. मतलब आपको उसे पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. जो भी उसका बैलेंसिंग फिगर आएगा उतना ड्यू है उसे पैसा दे दो. सर बट क्वेश्चन में कहा लिखा उसे पैसा दे. सर क्वेश्चन में कहा लिखा है कि हमारे फर्म के पास उतना कैश है भी उसे देने के लिए. इज इट रिटन इन द क्वेश्चन दैट यू विल गिव हिम? लिखा है फर्म के पास तो 500 रुपए ही कैश है. तो व्हाट डज ए से टू बी? ए सेज टू बी, बी यू नो आवर बिजनेस इज नॉट डूइंग गुड. बी सेज यस आई नो, इसीलिए तो जा रहा हूं. दैट इज व्हाट बी सेज. ए सेज टू बी, देखो वी डोंट हैव एनी मनी टू गिव यू. बी सेज यस आई नो. सो व्हाट डज ए से टू हिम? Whatever your balance is, we will take that forward as a loan. We will take that forward as a loan. It will be payable to you, means it will be a liability for me. And in over a period of time, I will repay your amount with an interest. What is the rate of interest? When it is repaid, it is not given in the question, so you don't have to worry about it. But that is what the gentleman's agreement will be. Understanding what I'm trying to say? For that gentleman's agreement to come forth, what do we have to do? We now have to balance the account. So the account here balances for A, the total amount is 29,000 rupees, and for B it is 15 plus 6, 21 plus 10, 31,000 rupees. Now out of this 31,000 rupees, 1,800 तो उसका लॉस था. So 31 minus 1,800, how much are we left with? 29,200. ये इसका क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है. किसका? बी का. बट क्या वो लेके जा रहा है? नहीं. क्या मैं इधर टू बैलेंस कैरी डाउन लिखूं? नहीं. इसका मतलब वो फर्म में बैठ गया. वो फर्म में नहीं है. क्या मैं इधर टू कैश लिखूं? मेरे पास तो 29,200 रुपीज नहीं है. तो वो क्या बनेगा? टू लोन अकाउंट. सो बीस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बीस लोन अकाउंट. और इसकी वजह से एक और जर्नल एंट्री आएगा, वो होगा बीस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट. कैपिटल खत्म हो गया, कैपिटल को डेबिट कर दिया और क्या लायबिलिटी खड़ी कर दी? टू बीस लोन अकाउंट. हाउ मच? 29,200. ये यहाँ पे इधर क्लोज हो गया. अभी यहाँ पे इसको क्लोज करो. किसको? ए को क्लोज करो. सो 29,000 माइनस 10,000, 19,000. 19 माइनस 2, 17. 17 माइनस 700, 16,300. करेक्ट. तो ये इसका क्या बन गया? क्लोजिंग कैपिटल बन गया. सर they have asked you balance sheet in the question. I don't know if they have, but I will make it. So what are we making? Balance sheet as on. What is the date? There is no other date given, so I will take 1st of January, whatever is the year. 2020. Shabash. Liabilities, assets. First, easy है. Let us post off the liability side. It will be A's capital. How much? 16,300. B's loan account. How much? 29,200. Then you have trade payables. Sir, trade payable will be, existing trade payable was how much? 7,500. उस पे 150 कटा. 7,500 पे 150 कटा. 7,350 बना. यही मैं बोल रहा था. विजुअलाइज द बैलेंस शीट. तो ये बैलेंस शीट में इसका पोस्टिंग हो गया. इसका पोस्टिंग हो गया बैलेंस शीट में. हो गया. इन सारी एंट्रीज का ऑटोमेटिकली बैलेंस शीट में पोस्टिंग हो चुका है. थैंक्स टू व्हाट? थैंक्स टू कैपिटल अकाउंट. अब बचे कौन से एंट्रीज? 1 and 2. ये दो एंट्रीज बचे. सो सबसे पहले इधर क्या आएगा? प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. प्लांट एंड मशीनरी कितना था? 20,000 था. डेप्रिसिएशन कितना लगा उस पर? सो वी विल राइट लाइक दिस. प्लांट एंड मशीनरी वाज 20,000 माइनस depreciation. How much? 1,500. So it will become how much? 18,500. Next we had inventory. Inventory was your 15,000. Correct? Sorry, 16,000 था. Sorry. How much? 16,000. उसमें कितना कटा? 15%. So 2,400. How much are you left with? 13,600. Over and above this, what are the other assets that you are having? You are having trade receivables. You are having trade receivables. How much are your trade receivables? 15,000. उस पे क्या बन रहा है? RDD. How much is your RDD? 750. तो कितना बचेगा बाहर? 14,250. So plant and machinery is gone, inventory is gone, trade receivable, balance at bank and cash in hand. So what is your balance at bank?
6,000.
Balance at bank is how much? 6,000. What is your cash in hand?
500.
500. Sir, will there be any movements in the cash? No. Why no? Because the existing partner, he is not bringing more cash, and the retiring partner is not taking out the cash. If the existing partner puts in cash, or if the retiring partner takes out the cash में movement होगा. Sir, why he is not taking out? वापस सुनना. How much does B has to take away from the firm? 29,200 in cash. In cash. B will say, okay, you don't have money to pay me, sell the assets, give me. But he is not doing that. Decency, partnership, old camaraderie, professional courtesy, whatever you choose to call it. What does he do? He says, how much money do we have? His partner replies, we have 6,500. देना कितना है? 29,200. मेरे पास है कितना? 4,500. मैं दे सकता हूँ? नहीं. भाई, एक काम कर, लोन दे दे. Question में adjustment आ सकती है. He will take away all the cash balance and existing will be his loan. He will take away all the cash balance and existing will be his loan. अगर ऐसा एडजस्टमेंट आया तो 29,200 माइनस 6,500 लिख दोगे. अगर आया तो, पर आया है क्या? नहीं. तो अगर मगर को छोड़ देने का. Are you understanding? आ सकता है. CA है, एडजस्टमेंट स्टफ आ सकती है. I am preparing you for that. Now इसके अलावा और कुछ पोस्टिंग करने के लिए है अपने पास? नहीं है. टोटल लो 18,500. टोटल लो 18,500 प्लस 13,600 प्लस 14,250 प्लस 6,000 52,850. अब ये माइनस करते जाओ उसमें से. माइनस 16,300 माइनस 29,200 माइनस 7,350. तो टैली हो गया. सो व्हाट इज इट? 52,850. बराबर. व्हाट वाज इट?
52,850.
52,850. and this is what the balance sheet tallies on. Clear?
Yes.
This is a easy question. इतना इजी क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ गया तो मैं खुद यार मिठाई बांटने लग जाऊंगा सब जगह पे. बट इट इज अ कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन. इसमें आपके क्या क्या कॉन्सेप्ट एड्रेस हुए? सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट ये एड्रेस हुआ कि दो में से अगर एक छोड़ के जाएगा ना तो वो एक एकला ही कॉम्पनसेशन देगा. तो गुडविल की एडजस्टमेंट हो गई सर, रिजर्व की एडजस्टमेंट हो गई सर, लोन का एडजस्टमेंट हो गया सर, एसेट का वो तो इट इज इजी पर कर लेते हैं वो एडजस्टमेंट हो गया. वो एडजस्टमेंट करने के टाइम पे यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट द पोस्टिंग. सारी पोस्टिंग यहाँ पे हो गई, बैलेंसिंग कर लिया. Next question is going to be a more advanced kind of a question where you will have more than just these basic adjustments. Are we clear about that?
Yes.
100%? Copy down.